Hi, my name is Jennifer Winkles. I am currently a kindergarten teacher in the Troup County School System. I just finished up my 8th year of teaching. I am married. I've been married for 12 years to my awesome husband, Chris. I have 2 children. I have Carter, who is 5. He's going into kindergarten this year, and I have Brooklyn, who is 2. So I'm a busy mom. I have 2 dogs, 2 pigs. We live in a farm in Hogansville, Georgia, so we are always outside and exploring nature, and spending time outside with my kids is probably one of my favorite things to do. I have a lot of respect for teachers who teach science. Science was never really one of my favorite subjects, but since I've taken this class, I've learned a lot of things, and I've had the opportunity to explore a lot of resources that I feel that will help me in teaching science to my younger kids. So I'm really excited about that. Thank you.